ay Central Terminal. Next station, Central Terminal. Paalala sa mga pasahero, pwedeng magtawag sa mga safety hindrance. Reminding all passengers, always hold on to the safety handrails. Ingatan po natin ang ating mga personal na gamit gaya ng bag, cellphone, wallet, at maging ang stored value card o single journey ticket na gagamitin sa paglabas ng mga istasyon o terminal ng tren. Please secure your personal belongings, such as bag, cell phone, or wallet, as well as the stored value card or single journey ticket that you will be using to exit from the stations or terminals. Paparating na sa Central Terminal. Approaching Central Terminal. Central Terminal. Central Terminal.
Ano?